Welcome, you watch English with Akram, and this video is about debate which recently took place at our coaching. The topic of the debate was SP party versus Congress party. Which party would be better for Uttar Pradesh? As you know that election is around the corner there. And so we organized a debate recently, so I am uploading that video, so hopefully you will like it, and please encourage these students and motivate these students with your beautiful comments, and let's watch the video.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shaimeen. I'm student of class 12 and I welcome you all in this ecstatic debate. Today, we are going to have a debate between two political parties. First one is Samajwadi Party and the second one is the Congress Party. Which party is better? I personally believe in this thing that the Samajwadi Party is far better than the Congress Party, and I have so many reasons, facts and causes to prove myself and my statement right. So let's begin with the tenure of the Samajwadi Party in the UP. We call that farmers are the backbone of the country, and the Samajwadi Party, the chief minister of the UP, Akhilesh Yadav, worked a lot to develop the condition of the farmers. They started so many schemes and so many yojnas. The first one in 2016, it was started by the SP party, that was Kisan Avam Sarvit Bima Yojana, under which if the farmer has registered its name, his name and his family's member's name in the revenue records, then he will be getting up to 5 lakh rupees on the event of his death. Usually what happens that in the village, the farmer is the breadwinner of his family, and if he dies, then there will be no one who will be earning for his family. So the government decided that they will be giving money to them. And not only this, the Kisan Bazaars. You know what? The SP party, Akhilesh Yadav, permitted and allowed the farmers to establish their market in the cities. There will be direct interaction between farmers and between the buyers. There will be no mediator. Usually what happens that when there is a mediator between farmers and the people, there can be some type of scam or any type of corruption. But because of this scheme, to some extent corruption decreased, scams also decreased. So it was really a good scheme. That's all.
Good afternoon to my respected teachers and my audio friends. My name is Naved, and as you all know, today we are debating on a crucial and controversial topic, which is about the SP party and Congress party, which is better. So for my perception, Congress is far better than the SP party. I have a lot of reasons behind it. So my first point is RTI, right to information. This was it was a plan of Manmohan Singh which came in 2005 and which gives right to everyone to get the knowledge, to get the information about the country, which is very useful for us to get any kind of knowledge, any kind of information about whatever is happening in India. Now, second thing, I would like to tell you that in the schools, what the midday meal we get from by the Congress, it was started in India. And next thing I would like to say that Delhi Metro, we can take example of it. It was started by them. Now, I would like to tell you something about SP party. First thing I would like to tell that in the time period of SP party, the casteism, it increased a lot. They always think about the Yadavs, what they can do for them. And second thing, in the UP, when he was the chief minister at the time, in the Shahjahanpur, there was a person, they killed him, they burned him alive. I can show you as well. See, Jitendra Singh, he was the reporter and he was burned alive. And now second thing I would like to mention that as I told about the caste, and there were some people before me, they were saying that 10 lakh, someone was mentioning we gave 10 lakh laptops, someone was mentioning 18 lakh. So how much? 10 lakh or 18 lakhs? Okay, if you are saying that 10 lakh, he was not in the power, however he gave 10 lakh. From where that money came? Is he has any tree that he will do like this and the money will come from there? No. If he spent it 10 lakh laptops, so 20 crore rupees from where he got. And if he gave 18 lakh laptops, so 35 crore rupees from where he get. And someone was mentioning, Faizan brother, you were mentioning about who got 80% above marks.
Wait.
So Faizan brother, you were mentioning about the students who got 80% above marks. He gave 13,000 or 1,300 rupees. Suppose if he gave 10,000 or 1 lakh rupee, 1 lakh to student, 1 lakh students. So at least approx 130 crore rupees he gave. He was not in the power. From where that money is coming? He did a lot of scams, and that's the money which he is spending to win the election, and then again he will do these scams if he will come in the power. And you were mentioning about the farmers, that he did farmer for that and that and that and that. So in the time period of Congress bring Harit Revolution. Still it's working in the Punjab, Haryana and West Uttar Pradesh. And 5-year planning, in the first 5-year planning, they worked on the agriculture. That's it.
Hello everyone, my name is Adnan and today I have been given a topic that is about the political parties, SP party versus Congress party. So according to me, SP party is far better than Congress party because I have lots of reasons behind it which I am gonna tell you. So my first point is about the Lucknow Metro. As Naved was mentioning about the Delhi Metro, that metro was given by the Congress party in Delhi. So brother, in Lucknow, metro is given by the Akhilesh Yadav, which was opened in 2013 by the Akhilesh Yadav. And because of this, pollution decreased a lot and the people who were jobless, they got the jobs. So it was a development of Uttar Pradesh. And now I want to say about the scams of Congress party. As he was mentioning about the scams of SP party, so brother, Congress party is dotted with the scams. From their started tenure until now, they have done only scams. The first scam I want to tell about, scam 1992, which was done by the Harshad Mehta. In that scam, P.V. Narasimha Rao, who was the 9th Prime Minister of India, he was also involved in that. And he was from Congress party. So do you know about that? And in 2011, Commonwealth scam. Do you know who was involved? Sheila Dikshit, your favorite CM of Delhi. She was involved in that scam. And second thing I want to say about Kamdhenu Yojana. In this Yojana, people who was jobless, they got the jobs. Because Akhilesh Yadav organized the 2,000 dairy of milk. He opened, and the people who were jobless, they got the jobs. And the people who were not developed, they developed themselves a lot. So thank you.
Okay. Good afternoon everyone. I am Kashifa here and today I am going to favor Congress party. So first of all, I would like to tell you about Congress party, that we all know that Congress party is the most powerful party in the India, and Congress party did a lot of work for the India. And even that after as of now as well, they are doing work for India. And I would like to answer to the Shaimin and to the Adnan, as they were mentioning about some scams and development, as well as Shaimin was mentioning about the farmers, that they will give 5 lakh and this 5 lakh or 10 lakh rupees to the farmers if someone dies in their family. So kind for your information, I would like to tell you that what is the real data of that. You know, everyone says that this is the real data, but we do not have real data in UP. Actually, just which party, if Samajwadi party is there, they want to show their data, then they shows. If any opponent is there, they shows wrong data. On which we should believe? Tell me. On which we should believe? SP party or the opponent party?
So, good afternoon to all of you. My name is Rimsha and I am the student of class 12th. Today we are debating here on a very important topic, that is about the Congress party versus Samajwadi party. Which one is better? So I am in the favor of Samajwadi party, and there are lots of reasons behind it. And first, I would like to illustrate my first point about health. And health is very important in whole human's life. And Samajwadi worked hard a lot on it in Uttar Pradesh. He gave lots of medical service at free of cost, and he planted 10 lakhs spilling in Uttar Pradesh only in 8 hours. It's not a piece of cake. It's not a child play. It's very hard to do to anyone. But Samajwadi party did it within 8 hours. And next thing I would like to tell you about, as Shaimin mentioned about farmers, he made lots of yojanas for farmers, for farmers. First one is Kisan Bazaar. I would like to tell about Kisan Bazaar. As Shaimin already told you, no need to tell again. And for women's safety, he made a he provided a number for women's safety, and more than 30 lakh cases were resolved. I am not making cases in the air. The data is saying, Google is saying more than 30 lakh cases were resolved. At the tenure of Samajwadi Party in UP, girls were saved. But earlier, UP was not safe for girls. So it's a very good thing which Samajwadi Party did. That's it.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Sana and I'm the student of class 11th, and today we all are debating here on a very debatable and controversial topic, and that is about the politician parties, that the Congress party is better or the SP party is better. So in my approach, as Congress party is far better than the Samajwadi party or the SP party, and I have so many reasons and arguments behind it, and I will definitely try to prove this thing by my points that yeah, really Congress party has done so many things for India and India's development. First of all, I would like to talk about the Indian economy. You know what, when the Congress party was ruling in India, at that time our GDP was better. Means till 2014, GDP kept on growing up. But after it went down. What does it mean? It means that Congress party, when the Congress party was in power, at that time the GDP was better, and it will be better if Congress party comes in the power. And next I would like to talk about some corruptions and schemes. As my teammates are having the misconception that their party, SP party, is a pure party that did not make any corruption. See, first of all, I would like to say that none parties are pure party. Every parties are corrupted parties. So first of all, I would like to tell you about some facts about the SP party and corruption and schemes which were done by the Akhilesh Yadav's government. First, that scheme with 1600 crore rupees in around 2014 or 15 by the Akhilesh Yadav's government. It is said that according to the data survey. And the second scheme with 97,000 crore rupees. Second scheme with 97,000 crore rupees by Akhilesh Yadav's government, according to the state finances report of the UP. So my motive is not to make you count the schemes or the corruptions of the SP party. I just want to, my motive and my purpose is to clear this misconception that only Congress party is the corrupted party. Every parties are corrupted parties. And then next I would like to talk about the laptops scheme, as my teammates, as my opponents were mentioning about the laptops, that laptops were distributed by the Akhilesh Yadav, and it was the biggest achievement of the Akhilesh Yadav's government. So for this I want to say that there was also a scheme done by the Akhilesh Yadav in the laptops distributing scheme, and that was that 15 lakh laptops were to be distributed in the UP. But out of those laptops, only 6 lakhs laptops were distributed by the Akhilesh Yadav in the UP. That's it.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Shalam. Today we are going to debate in the favor of Congress versus Samajwadi Party. So I am in the favor of Samajwadi Party. So firstly, I would like to tell you about what Samajwadi Party did in their tenure. He make a third largest Yamuna Expressway highway, as you know that about. If you want to go Agra, so you can go by that, and it was biggest third largest Yamuna Expressway. And now I would like to tell you about that, as Naved was saying, midday meal food, which was implemented by Congress party. So don't you think about that, the food, have you eaten that food? You know that the food is not that much good which you are thinking. Like, you know, once upon a time I ate that food and I got disease. And now I would like to tell you about, as Sana was saying about that scams. Samajwadi Party did 1600 crore scam, and
96,000 crore rupees scam. Do you know how much 96,000 crore rupees have you shown in your life? It is that much big amount which you can't think, and it is not like that. And can you tell me what the name of that scam? You also don't know about this properly. Hello everyone. I am Rehan, and today, as we all are debating on a very crucial topic, which is SP party versus Congress party. So, which party is best? So, in my approach, Congress party is far better than the SP party because there are many important reasons and logic behind it. First of all, I want to say to you all that we should not compare SP party to the Congress party because SP party is just limited in the UP. But if I talk about the Congress party, it's not only in the UP but also in all over the India. So that's why we should not compare. And yeah, if I talk about the seats, that how many seats are in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. So if I talk about the SP party, so there are just 5 seats in the Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha. And if I talk about the Congress, there are 46 seats in the Rajya Sabha and 56 seats are in the Lok Sabha of the Congress party. That's why we should not compare, I think, yeah. And yeah, if I talk about the acclaimable hard works of the SP party. So first of all, I want to say that about Piyush Jain. Do you know about Piyush Jain? No, you cannot know. Yeah, Piyush Jain is very corrupted person who is in the SP party. And you know what? It's not scam 1992. It's the scam 2021. You know, yesterday my father was seeing Z News yesterday. So there was a breaking news that who used to ride scooter, now he will ride Lamborghini. He was Piyush Jain. Because in his home there was it was found 200 crore rupees and 23 kgs gold in his home. And he belongs to the SP party. This is also the big corruption like scam 1992. Is it?
Maybe.
It is. Yeah. Now if I talk about Faizan bro was mentioning about the girls' security, and yeah, she was also telling something. So if I talk about the girls' security, so at a time means yesterday I was searching SP party. So on the top there was a shot. There was a Akhilesh Yadav, and he was mentioning that means he was advising that we should marry girls in just 16 years. We should marry girls in just 16 years. It means you all should marry in just 16 years. What the hell is this? They are promoting to the Bal Vivah. They are promoting to the child marriages, which should not be here. See the thinking of the SP party. Thank you.
May I start? So now I would like to answer to Kashifa. Kashifa, you were asking to me that on the Google, over the internet, the newses are fake. Because the government which is ruling, they always print the fake news. So I can say this same thing with the Congress party as well. When the Congress was in the power, they were also printing the fake news. If the Samajwadi party was printing, so it's not a big deal that you are saying the Google is fake. Whom should we believe then? You will directly go to the Rahul Gandhi. That sir, please tell me that is it right, is it wrong? Of course not. You're not going to go. Definitely will search on the Google over the internet. And the next thing which I would like to say, as Rehan was mentioning about the comparison, that we should not compare the SP party to the Congress party because it's a national party. Of course, I also try to agree with this thing that we should not compare because Congress is a national party. They have worked, they have ruled on the whole India. Sana was mentioning about the Indian economy. So of course that will develop. SP party hasn't ruled yet on the India. But I can say this thing very surely that they would develop the India more than the Congress party and more than the any party. You know what? Samajwadi party is that party because of which the UP, the India got its name in Guinness Book of World Record because of Samajwadi party. In 2016, UP got the best state award for the skill development. Because of Samajwadi party, India got its third largest highway. Isn't it good? Of course it is good. And the laptop distribution, it was the largest distribution ever made by any government in the world. So in what way are you thinking that it is not a good party? If I talk about the Congress party, as Adnan was saying that Congress party is dotted with scheme, so it is dotted with nepotism as well. I told you that till 2017 there have been 21 chief minister, and out of 21, 11 belong to Indian National Congress, What does it show? It shows totally nepotism, nothing more than it. Now you will say that people chose them. People were choosing 11 times continuously. Is it really a dream or something reality or something else? I cannot believe it at all. And the next thing which I would like to say about the women helpline number, we all know every government start that, but it's not a big deal. But I want to say that it's really a big deal because under this scheme, more than 30 lakh cases were registered. Not only registered, they were resolved as well. That's all I want to say.
So I would like to give answer to Shaimin to you that you were mentioning about nepotism in Congress. So I would like to say that like first Prime Minister of India was Jawaharlal Nehru. After him, Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was not the son of Jawaharlal Nehru. That's not nepotism. And after that, Indira Gandhi became because people wanted. People chose her. And after that, Rajiv Gandhi, people chose him. And after that, Narasimha Rao, he was not the son of Rajiv Gandhi. And now if you will search, so after Narendra Modi, if there is a big popularity in India, so people choose Rahul Gandhi. That's why they are giving him in face for a Prime Minister. Now I would like to talk about you. You are in 10th class, yeah? When your English exam came up first term, so it was too difficult and something wrong. I'm not asking to you. It was hard for you or no, because I know you do not know anything in that. Okay, do not interrupt me. So I would like to say that at the time, it was too difficult for the students. And it was something wrong about the women's as well in that. So on which only Rahul Gandhi was there who talked about it, who took action. I can show to you. Yeah. So here is the tweet of him, as he mentioned CBSE as well, that the paper was totally difficult for the 10th class students. And after that, I would like to mention, you were mentioning about midday meal. So brother, I said that it was started. Still, it's not like that Congress is distributing. In the time period of it could be Aam Aadmi, you got that, and there was some mistakes in that. So you cannot blame to the Congress. And you were showing some, good works of Congress, of Samajwadi Party. So I would like to also show something to you. First, when our India got independence in 1947, we have faced 2 world war. After that, Cold War was going on. After that, we got partition, we faced that. And who helped in that? Congress. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had a big role in the Prince's state to join in India. Second thing, Cold War we were facing, and at the time we made non-alignment movement. And after that, 55% of the wheat we got only, or 45% we gave to Pakistan, 85% jute we gave to the Pakistan. We do not have proper agriculture, but Congress developed that. And today we have developed India because of, I would say, the Congress. It's not developed but developing. But the developed, how much we have in just 70 years, where nowadays the BJP is decreasing that. So I would say that if Samajwadi or any other party would be ruling on India except Congress, so I would say that nothing would be here. That's it.
So first of all, I want to give answer to Naved brother. Naved brother, you were telling me about the exams. Exams were totally difficult for the students. So brother, in this case, the SP party is not fault. CBS is fault. Why are you blaming the SP party?
Did I blame?
Yeah, you were. And second thing, Sana was telling me about the scams of SP party. So, sister, do you know how much they did scams? I will tell you. Udvadak Ayat Ghotala for 13,000 crore rupees in 1996. Stamp scams for 20,000 crore rupees in 2003. And 2G Spectrum scam for 17,06,000 crore rupees in 2011. Who is the fault of this? SP party? Congress party, isn't it? So why are you blaming the SP party? Okay, thank you.
Okay. First of all, I would like to answer to the Adnan, as in
his last stand he was mentioning about the 1992 scams. So brother, I don't think that after watching a web series or anything you can believe to the Congress. Okay, as you were, maybe you do not know about the Harshal Mehta, who was that. He is the actor of that web series. Okay, in reality he was not there. And second thing, you were saying that no judgment we had, but officially we didn't get answer. When we didn't get result of that, that's why we hadn't any kind of judgment on that. And after that, I wanna answer to the Rimsha, as she was mentioning about the medical. So I wanna tell you, sister, one thing as well. Not in only in Delhi, in whole India, we got medical treatment from the Congress. We had a lot of hospitals. Even maybe you don't know about the AIMS hospitals. We have AIMS hospital because of Congress party. Do you know? And second, you all are mentioning about the girl security. So maybe you do not know who is the Yogi. Maybe you all know that only because I think he said that girls will be safe in UP now when he came in the power. And when Akhilesh Yadav was there, rap was there. Even the people used to molest to the girl. They used to pass bad comments. Even at that time, girls were trying to get education, but they were not able to get education. And development, Shaimin was mentioning about the development. So to her, I want to answer that you are saying development and the flyovers and roads. Do you know, still in UP, we do not have good roads. In my village, even not in my village, in everyone's village, I think, we do not have roads. And you were mentioning about the scams. Do you know what is the real scam? We have scams with the roads. If we do not have good roads, so how we can have good development of the India? We do not have roads. And where Akhilesh Yadav was there, he promised a lot of time. He was saying that we will have this flyover, that flyover, this road, that road. But as of now, we do not have any road, even in the villages as well. So I would like to answer to the Kashifa. As Kashifa, you are mentioning about the roads and medical service and all. You are saying that just because of Congress, everyone is getting free of cost medical service. In the time of Samajwadi Party were ruling in UP, where Congress Party were providing their free medical service. It's not. Samajwadi Party were providing free medical service in Uttar Pradesh. And you are saying about roads. Roads are very good in UP now. I don't know where is your village located, but my village is also in UP and their road is very good now. And I would like to answer to the Bashir, as Bashir was mentioning about discrimination in his turn, that Samajwadi provided rickshaw to only for Muslims. So he started a yojana, to that yojana Shravan Yatra, that in that to Uttar Pradesh people who are senior, they can go to pilgrimage. They can go to pilgrimage at free of cost. It's not a discrimination. He is thinking about all people. That's it.
So directly I would like to give answer to Adnan. He was mentioning about the schemes and he was making account schemes of Congress party. So brother, I would like to answer you that I would like to tell you, as I told you, that Congress party was found in 1885 and SP party was found in 1991. Means before 100 years of SP party, Congress had been already found. It means, so I would like to make you understand that its tenure, means the Congress party's tenure is long. So obviously it is a crystal clear thing that it must have made more corruptions than the other parties. And SP party, and you were mentioning that how much is 1600 crores rupees. I also told this thing, but let me tell you. So I'm also not saying just like that. I'm not making castle in the airs. I also searched this thing on the Google, and Google is saying this thing. Shouldn't we believe on the Google? We should believe on the Google. As your teammate also said this thing, we should believe on the Google. Same thing I'm saying. Okay, next thing I would like to answer to Shaimin. She was mentioning about the development of the India. So leave this thing that the Congress contributed a lot in the development of the India. Take the Delhi. Do not go so far. Take the Delhi. When the Congress was ruling in Delhi at the time, it gave infrastructure to the whole Delhi. It changed totally when Delhi was totally changed when the Congress party was ruling here. So many flyovers, so many highways were built by the Congress party. Don't you think so that Congress party can develop more, can develop India more and more? That's it.
Now I would like to tell you about, as Rehan was saying that about there was what you were saying that about in that house the gold was there and the cash was there, 2000 crore. You what? Yeah, Piyush Jain. You know who is he? You also don't know about that. Who is he? He's banker. Oh. Yeah. So why were you saying like this? No. They did scam with the SP party. You know who told about that? That was SP party. But you are saying that directly it was meet with SP party and that was like that. It is not like that. Now I would like to tell you about that. Which day your father was watching a news. In that Z News started to vote to people how many vote will be get a party. Like there are 4 parties, Mayawati, Samajwadi and there was BJP Congress. In that, Samajwadi party got 50% and BJP got 28% vote. And there was Mayawati got 31%. You know how many votes Congress got? 0. And you are saying that the party is good. Listen, firstly, I'm Rehan. You are talking about the Piyush Jain. So you know what? I asked to the Google. He's my best friend. So I asked to him that which party means Piyush Jain belongs to which party? There was Piyush Jain, SP party worker. Now what? Is he banker? From where? Means I was also watching. Yeah. What the hell are you? From where do you get the information? These type of bankers. Where he is he is the worker of SP party, and yeah, they all are mentioning about the plants. 8,000 plants. Yeah, 10 lakh plants. SP party planted 10 lakh plants. So SP party is not a person, so he or she will plant. And yeah, if we talk about the SP party, so see the reality. They give the take 500 rupees for a plant. To any person, they don't plant. Neither SP party workers plant, and yeah, president means Akhilesh Yadav also not plant. So this is the hard work of the workers. Thank you. Thanks.
Half an hour.
Yeah, sir. Can we have one more time?
Yeah.